Hey guys, what's up? It's Legit, back again with another video this week. But before we get into it, I've got some great news. I'm partnering up with LD Motorcycles. I'm becoming a brand ambassador for them. And because of that, it means I get to run a competition for you guys to win some awesome gloves and biker jacket. So stay tuned to find out how to enter that competition. It's going to be coming up in a couple of weeks. So hit that notification bell if you want to be a winner. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So this first clip shows a woman riding her moped when she stumbles across two moped thieves who've just stolen a scooter. They get identified and one of them is actually 15 years old. He's got community service for bike theft and he's on his last strike. So this could seal the deal for him. Tell me what you guys think of this.
But I will report you to the police for this. Well, you're L plates, you shouldn't be carrying a passenger anyway. No, but I'll be sensible then and get up. Please, mate. You imagine your mum. No, seriously, imagine your mum getting a phone call saying you've come off and landed on your head. No, that's fair. Yeah. You won't. You get straight back on. I'm going shopping. See you later. You nick that, you little fucks.
That woman at the end there, oh my god, I laughed so hard when I heard that the first time. Right, so let's crack on with the second story. A house tinned up because of criminal activity and antisocial behaviour is linked to the notorious teenage REPO gang. The gang have become infamous for stealing motorbikes, wreaking havoc on the streets and bragging about their criminal exploits on Instagram. In another move to crack down on the gang, Merseyside police have recovered a house on Cockerell Close, which was a hub for antisocial behaviour and criminal activity. They said following reports of ASB and criminal activity, Merseyside police, working together with its partners, have recovered the house from Cockerell Close from its tenants. The raid happened within an hour of yet another motorbike theft in the area, after officers spotted a stolen Yamaha in Breeze Hill and tracked it down to the house in Cockerell Close. During the search, an air rifle, stolen motorbike and 3 mini-motors were seized from the home. 2 people were arrested, a 43-year-old woman and a 16-year-old boy for handling stolen goods, and were taken into custody for questioning. The group have dubbed themselves the REPO Gang, or thought to be a group of teenagers aged between 15 and 18. Members have been stealing motorbikes and then flaunting their thefts on social media, bragging about their haul and trying to sell the stolen goods. So for this one, I want you to tell me what you think happened here. Watch the video and drop a comment down below.
How the fuck did they do that?
So this next clip shows us a bitter turf war that's going on in Brent between rival delivery drivers.
Olha lá o cara feio,
Vai espetar com isso.
That all started because the victim accused the attacker of being an illegal in the country and stealing all the food deliveries by having 2 phones, which meant they got more and more orders, so they were putting other people out of business. Crazy stuff. Why do that to someone else's property? This next clip shows the Met Police are taking an even harsher stance on moped thieves. 2 of them got knocked off and arrested.
What's going on? Nice one, nice one. Bad time.
So let's watch this last clip and talk about it afterwards. Well, that was absolutely crazy. I'm so glad those people came and helped out. It's kind of annoying because I guess some of those people that came and helped left their cars in the middle of the road, which then prevented those other police cars from getting through as quickly as they could to come and back up that lone motorcycle officer. fantastic that he knocked him off. Guys, if you haven't already, like this video and subscribe if you're new around here. If you fancy winning this pair of gloves, follow this video and make sure that bell notification is hit. You'll be notified in the next coming weeks when my video of this competition drops. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. You've been awesome. I've been legit. I'll see you in the next one.